What's the meaning of Alberta? Alberta. 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 Alberta.
Alberta is a province in Western Canada, named after Princess Louise Caroline Alberta, the fourth daughter of Queen Victoria. It is Canada's fourth most populous province and has a diverse economy, including significant oil and gas production. The province is known for its natural beauty, including the Rocky Mountains, prairies, forests, and lakes. Its major cities include Calgary and Edmonton, and it is also home to several national parks and tourist attractions. Alberta has a rich history and culture, with Indigenous peoples occupying the area for thousands of years before Europeans arrived in the 18th century.